can start out here and walk through the apartment. Okay, here we go. Sofa, kitchen. Okay, not bad. So far, so good. Only thing I'm thinking is the speed. To be a little slow. Okay. Let's watch through and see. We'll do a watch through and then see if we need to do anything with the speed. It's a bedroom. Looks good. Other bedroom. Looks good. Okay, looks good. Back kitchen. Dining room. And let's take a look at that. Okay, so far so good. So the only thing I'm thinking is, seems like a little slow, so we'll just head up to speed and duration, and we'll do a 125. That way we'll speed it up a little bit, and let's see what we have now. Okay. Okay. Kitchen. A little better. Okay. And first bedroom. After we see the open top. There we go. Okay, so far so good. And on to the next bedroom. Not bad. Move around. That's good enough to look around. Before it was a bit slow. So this gives us a good look at the apartment and a good speed. So we'll keep the speed at 125. Now let's pull it in to our already set up music background and title. Our titles are. You got me calling, hit your line. You got me feeling. Now the entrance noise, let's do a little bit of something with that right here. Just head down here. And we'll cut it right here. And all we're doing is we'll take this piece here and we'll just drop down this volume and check it out. You got me calling, hit your line. You got me feeling pretty high in the night. Turn your back, think it's cool. Great. So let's edit some of this title to fit this video because it was set for something else. Now our video ends here. So we want to bring back our logo to end there. And then we can pull back our logo. And our intro song, we can pull back that is our background song. We pull it back a bit. And then the same thing with our ending logo. Now it should fit our video as it ends. And we can kind of bring it out to here. Overlap it so it comes in as the video is ending. Now the video ends as they went to the bathroom, but we don't have a lot of bathroom scenes, so we want to be careful we don't cut the bathroom too much. But you do want a nice, smooth coming out. Now going out, there's not much noise in this video, but there you go. You can just fade it out. Okay, now let's take a look. Comes to the bathroom. Okay, let's see if we can check that bathroom there to see how much we're taking away. So we'll back her out a bit and watch her bathroom. Okay, did you get to see enough of the bathroom? Well, that's the bathroom. I mean, what else are you going to see? Get in. There you go. Now,
here's something interesting what we're going to do. The bathroom, since we have such a small, we quickly go to the bathroom. So what we'll do with the bathroom is we won't speed up the bathroom. So we'll take that. Let's cut the bathroom video and head up to speed and duration and remove that. We leave the bathroom at 100. So this way, we have a little bit more to play with in the bathroom. The rest, we get to see it a lot. Now we just have to increase these, increase our sound, because when we cut the clip, it kind of, it gets faster, so it's shorter. As we, that is when we speed up the clip, it gets faster, so it's shorter. When we put it back to its regular length, it becomes longer. So that's what just happened. So now we have a little bit more to play with on the bathroom. So let's head out here, the bathroom. So now when you hit the bathroom, it goes down. Okay, now two things. We can actually, we slowed down the bathroom, yes, but it still seems the bathroom, we went through it so fast. So let's do this with the bathroom. Let's slow down the bathroom more than everything else. This way, we get to see a little bit more. There you go. Now you see a little bit. Okay. Now let's take our outro logo back a bit. So now you can see the bathroom a little bit more. Okay. Okay, just enough to feel. All right, so there we go. So we've now given the bathroom a bit more time to view. The bathroom was a bit quick, rushed, we felt. All right, so let's pull back our logo to end over here. And our sound, we want it to end over here since we've increased everything. And we might, I mean, we can, let's see if we pull this out, what we have here. Let's see. Nope. We'll put it back into here.
You watching NoGlowCat.com. Yeah.
Video ends. Okay, there we go. So we were able to slow down, speed up, and get a little bit more benefit from our video. So we'll save this out, and we are good to go.
You watching NoGlowCat.com. Yeah.